Hello and welcome to LIKO. This is one of our field safety notice videos. The purpose of the video is to explain the field safety notice so it's simple and clear to understand. The actions off the back of the field safety notice sometimes involve you as the customer or your servicing provider. If LIKO is your servicing provider, we want to assure you we have this in hand and will keep things running safely for you. A field safety notice is issued by the medical device manufacturer to highlight any important actions needed to maintain safety and compliance. At LIKO, we believe in keeping you fully informed at all times. This field safety notice has been issued by LIKO and it concerns a component part called the FA-2025-017, this part here, which attaches the sling bar to the hoist and is used on a range of their hoists. The notice name is shown on the screen now and it was issued in June 2025. So this part here is the part in question. It's called the FA-2025-017. In this situation it's used on a scale attachment. It could be on a mobile hoist. What the field safety notice is saying is that additional caution is required to make sure it's correctly secured, to make sure the sling bar is correctly inserted and the lock mechanism is shown. This is how it could be attached incorrectly, and this is unsafe and an accident waiting to happen. So what the notice is saying is that the hoists are safe to use providing it's correctly engaged as you see here. The notice requires you as the customer to report back to the LIKO with the form that's come with the field safety notice as to how many components of this type you have in your establishment. Replacements can then be arranged so these can be replaced. We hope that this video has been helpful. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. To learn more about LIKO and how we can support you, visit our website at mediko.co.uk. And for more helpful videos and insights, check out our YouTube channel. Just search LIKO or click the link in the description below.